Hello everyone, my name is Dennis and I am the proud owner of Artvoom, a company that specializes in manufacturing wooden decor for your home. Our products are crafted with utmost care and precision to ensure that they add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your living space. Our production process involves several stages, including painting, bulkheads from any defects, and packaging. We pay close attention to every detail to ensure that our customers receive only the best quality products. We use natural oak for our decor as it is known for its durability and beauty. At Artvoom, we understand that each home is unique, which is why we offer a wide range of decor options to choose from. Whether you're looking for a rustic wooden sign or a modern wall art piece, we have something that will suit your taste and style. We take pride in our craftsmanship, and the satisfaction of our customers is our top priority. So if you're looking to add some charm and character to your home, look no further than Artvoom. We are committed to providing you with the best quality wooden decor that will last for years to come. At Artvoom, we understand the importance of quality packaging. That's why we take extra care to monitor the quality of our packaging during the production process. We believe that a well-packaged product not only protects the contents inside, but also enhances the overall customer experience. We take pride in our products and want our customers to have complete peace of mind when they purchase from us. That's why every product from Artvoom is insured. This means that in the unlikely event that your product is damaged during shipping, we will replace it at no cost to you. We are committed to providing our customers with the best possible experience. From our quality packaging to our exceptional customer service, we strive to exceed expectations. We are confident that once you try our products, you'll never want to shop anywhere else. Thank you for choosing Artvoom. We look forward to helping you create a beautiful and welcoming home. Please feel free to contact us.